Set up listening programs in Connexx 9. You can set up additional listening programs on the Program Handling page. Simply open the drop-down list and select the program you need from a selection of predefined settings. The fine-tuning from Program 1 will automatically be the basis for any additional extra program. In case you have not set up user controls yet, Connexx will do so automatically. You can copy the configuration of one program to another program slot via dragging and dropping the copy icon. Click in the Program Name field to change the name of a program. To change the order of the programs, click the arrow icon and drag and drop the program in the position you need. To deactivate a program, select Off from the drop-down list.